Welcome everyone. I am Kausalya from New Prince to Bhavani College of Engineering and Technology, and I am from Electronics and Communication Department. In this video, I am going to explain about a project which is named as Water Quality Monitoring and Controlling System. Before getting into the explanation of a project, I want to give you the reason why we designed this project or what is the exact reason behind this project. Generally, we all know that one of the oldest and fundamental industry in the world is the textile industry because clothes are one of the fundamental thing all we human beings are needed. So the demand for the textile industry get high. Simultaneously, the wastewater are also had been increasing. So it causes a major problem which is nothing but the water pollution. In that, the industries, especially dyeing industries, takes a major part in polluting the water resources, which causes environmental and health problems. These are typically caused by the discharge of untreated effluent from these industries and those because of using a toxic chemicals especially during processing. Among these chemicals, textile wastewater and dyes are considered as the harmful chemicals. In that chemicals, 40% of the globally used chlorines contains the originally born chemical known as carcinogen. This causes a lot of environmental and health problems. In environment, it affects the marine ecosystem, and for humans, it causes harm to children even before they birth. Due to this, the normal functioning of the cell is disturbed, and this in turn may cause alteration in the physiology of animal, resulting in impairment of important function like respiration, reproduction, and even mortality. So, to protect our water bodies and to overcome these all problems, we came up with a project idea which is named as Water Quality Monitoring and Controlling System. Now, let's get into the project explanation. The main objective of this project is to check the quality of water using sensors and to direct the path automatically to the water purifying system and shut down all the devices in the industry except the osmosis plant. Osmosis is nothing but the purification plant. And there are also some existing systems are there like using robot to check the quality of the water and purification of water by using solar energy, and these are all existing system, but what we are proposing here is the water quality is sensed by using the sensors. Also the quality of water is intimated to the user by SMS. The path of wastewater is automatically directed to the osmosis plant. Only the purification system is works and remaining all the systems are shut down automatically until the water get purified. This is the snapshot of our project model. Let's see how it works. First of all, the components we used here are LCD display, GSM module, Arduino microcontroller, motor drivers, and here we are using two motors. If the water is already pure, it will direct the path to let it into the water bodies, and another motor is used if the quality of water is impure, it direct the path to the purifying system. And we are using two sensors, one is gas sensor and another one is pH sensor. Here I am having water where I am trying to check the quality of the water by using pH sensor, and also we are using gas sensor. So the sensed value is displayed in the LCD display. Meanwhile, the quality of the water is intimated to the regarding person. Normally, the gas value above 500 and the pH value above 30 is considered as impure water. Here I am getting below 500 and below 30. So it is not impure water. So flow path is directed to the water body. If suppose the water is impure, the second motor will direct the path to the purifying system, and all the system other than this purifying system will be shut down until the water get purified. And the scope of this project are by implementing this, letting out the impure water from the industries into the rivers, lakes and other water resources can be prevented. And we can also able to recycle the water and we can use that water for our further purposes. And these are all the scope of this project. That's all, friends. This is what about our project, and I hope we, the younger generation, knows the need for saving water for our future generation. So, with that note, I'm again saying save and protect water for our future generation. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much.